What are you eating?
Oatmeal and bubbles.
Oatmeal and bubbles?
Milk.
And cinnamon and milk. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
And where's Daddy?
In the towel.
Oh, he's taking a shower? And then what does he have to do?
Take it out and put his clothes on. Okay, sure.
He has to put his clothes on and then what?
Go outside to work.
He has to go to work?
Huh?
He has to work all day today, doesn't he?
Work outside.
He's gonna go outside. What are we gonna do today?
Do this mess.
Look at this mess. Let me see this mess.
This.
Oh, there's oatmeal on your leg.
Yeah.
That's a big mess.
Mommy, I want to see it.
You wanna see the video?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you the video.